Hi, I'm John, and welcome back to Dice Paper Miniatures. Well, we got another sweet reveal today on Monday for Necromunda. Another new squat has entered the fray. Or maybe the mining shaft. Something like that. Let's check it out. So we're back with another one for Necromunda, and I can't complain. It's for squats, so it's all good. And this new battle suit is really interesting. There were a few comments recently, kind of basically the general consensus seems like some of these new squat reveals feel like they've been kind of inspired by Warmachine. I mean, I kind of like some of the Warmachine aesthetic, so, that's fine with me. But yeah, I can see where they're coming from. And this new battle suit definitely kind of feels Warmachine inspired. But I can't complain. It's kind of cool. I'm just not so sure if I'm sold on the color schemes that GW chose for these particular models, but I mean, you can always paint it something else. But yeah, the article goes on. Sometimes, though, you need something a little bit bigger to accompany your prospectors on their most dangerous digs. Sometimes you need the Vartijan Exo-Driller. Vartijan. On a personal note, I wonder how long it took to come up with that name. I do like the artwork, I have to admit. It goes on, these suits of rugged exo armor were originally designed to protect squat miners in the most hostile environments, and the ash wastes definitely qualify. They've been upgraded over the centuries with heavier weapons and better defenses. And the prospector gangs now bring them along to fight off ash waste nomads or other hostiles trying to claim the prime dig sites out in the Necromunda Badlands. Isn't like all of Necromunda Badlands? I mean, semantics. The Vartijan Exo-Driller is a widely used variant, named after the legendary squat engineer Valya Vartijan. Sure. I think they should have named it the Valya. Cooler name. That's what I'm going to call it. Not that anyone cares. But as I was saying, of the Svardhol mining clan, Svardhol, what the hell were you guys smoking when you came up with these names? Yeah, we're just going to keep reading. Make sure you give thanks to her every time it stomps an enemy fighter into jam. Aside from its piston-powered pulverizing fist and seismic crusher, the suit's also armed with a squat-made heavy flamer, which can be replaced with a heavy bolter for even more serious killing potential. Dig it. Get it? Dig it? The Vartijan Exo-Driller is a brute that's exclusively available to Ironhead squat prospectors. Okay. Its rules will arrive in the forthcoming Book of the Outlands, alongside a host of other cool rules and nasty outdoor surprises. Yeah, it's cool. I'll be curious to see how it price points out for your actual gang. It's probably going to be pretty pricey. It may not be something you start with originally, but maybe you upgrade to it. And I do think aesthetically it fits the designs that we've seen so far. So, yeah, really no complaints. But what do you all think? Are you digging this new design? I'm really not trying to be ironic by using that term. I always say dig it. It just happens to be we're talking about about a gang that likes to dig. Anyways, I think it's cool. But what do you all think? I'd love to see your thoughts in the comments below. Is it too Warmachine? Does it matter? For me, it doesn't really matter. But that's it for this one. As always, if you've enjoyed this content and you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, as well as liking and sharing this content with your friends. It really does help with the growth of the channel, and it's greatly appreciated. And as always, I hope you're all doing well. Be safe, take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.